Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Yamaka oba Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dikan a show a video. Remember rain fit subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me notification bell say the video bia beto a on side den. Ebeka. And the best say be white and milk chocolate. First one here milk chocolate. You be use 1/4 cup coconut oil. Nowadays 4 tablespoons icing sugar, 2 tablespoons powder milk, 4 tablespoons unsweet cocoa powder. Now the name na egu we are now sieving now together. Sievia we no. Now they akwesi enso ehye so. Na wanu ni nyina mu ama na mete. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. Only 1/4 teaspoon vanilla ka. Now when we are not kwakwohwe chocolate mold mu. We dey share freezer for 1 hour. After 1 hour, now we here fi mold ni. Nti we milk chocolate no. Ye kwaya second one no, and ye white chocolate. E be use 1/4 cup coconut oil. Now we use 4 tablespoons icing sugar, 4 tablespoons powder milk. We are now sieving it together. We sievia you know that kwesi nso ehye so na wanu ni nyina mu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. When we now the 1/4 teaspoon vanilla ka. Now what can you afra? We are not going to chocolate mold mu. We freezing it for 1 hour. After 1 hour no, now we here fi mold ni. We here white chocolate no. Now this our milk and white chocolate recipe. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.